All right. Hello and welcome. I am Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Today I want to talk about FOIAs. So FOIA, F-O-I-A, it stands for the Freedom of Information Act. And it was an act, it was a law that was passed that gives people the right to request their records from any federal agency. So really, if there's a federal agency out there that has records about you, you have the right to request and to receive those records, all right? As long as national security isn't involved, and there are some other exceptions. But for the most part, you have the right to receive your records, all right? Which is great, all right? This is very important, especially in an immigration case. Look, it is possible that immigration has records about you. We have lots of clients that, gosh, they remember that one time that they were crossing the border and something happened and they're not exactly sure how, if they were given documents or if they were processed in some way, but they think that somebody took their thumbprint, they think that they were photographed maybe, but there's a lot of big question marks, especially if it happened in like the early 90s, and if things are there, let's request them. And let's look at it, because those details can come up in your immigration case now, and it can have an enormous impact, for better or for worse. Sometimes we request records to prove physical presence in the United States, which can go a long way towards helping you with certain applications, all right? Sometimes we do it because we want to show that you weren't deported in the past, or that you weren't subject to some immigration violation that they're alleging you that you committed. All right, and so the records are incredibly important, and the best advice always is, whenever possible, to request and receive and review thoroughly all of those records before submitting any application that you're going to file now for immigration status, all right? Because we want to make sure that there's no surprises. Sometimes the government has records in there that are like incorrect, and they've attributed somebody maybe with a similar sounding name or with similar looking fingerprints as yours. They've attributed some other person's information to you. And if that's true, well, we've got to really know about it, because then we got to be prepared to explain that it wasn't really you at the time of your immigration interview. So, and those things can cause serious delays in your case too, and a lot of confusion if they weren't really you. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. The point is to request your records, and if you need help with that, please feel free to contact our office. If this was useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for being here. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C., where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.